Hello students, my channel name is Khandesh Srinit, class 10th standard. Explanation. In this session I am going to explain you that 11th chapter trigonometry exercise 11.1 7th and 8th bit. Before going to the session, first of all you understand the formulas. See here you have to refer these formulas. After referring this only you can do the exercise problems. Let us go into the exercise 11.1. See here what is given 7th bit. Given cot theta is equals to 7 by 8. Then evaluate 1 plus sin theta 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta 1 minus cos theta. Next second one 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Now let us go into the problem. What is given here? First of all we have to write that cot theta is equals to 7 by 8. Cot theta is equals to 7 by 8. But we know that cot theta is formula adjacent side by opposite side. See this 7 by 8 is equals to 7 by 8. So nothing but 7 is adjacent side and 8 is opposite side. See based on this given we have to draw a diagram. See here, this is a diagram here. Triangle ABC. What is given here? Theta. Let us take angle A as theta. Now we have to write opposite side, adjacent side and hypotenuse. Opposite to angle theta, BC is an opposite side. See, this is opposite side and adjacent is AB. Adjacent is nothing but side. Opposite side is BC and adjacent side is AB. See here in this triangle which is the largest side? AC is the largest side. So it is an hypotenuse. What is given here? Adjacent side and hypotenuse. Opposite side is given here. Adjacent side means, see adjacent side here 7. Opposite side here 8. But we have to find out a hypotenuse here. Hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square. Hypotenuse square is equals to, what is the two given sides here? 7 and 8. 7 square plus 8 square. Hypotenuse square is equals to 7 square is nothing but 49. 8 square is nothing but 8 into 8. See here 7 square 49 and 8 square 64. Hypotenuse square is equals to 49 plus 64 113. When the square will went to the RHS side it become root. See hypotenuse is equals to root 113. Nothing but this is an hypotenuse, AC is nothing but root 113. Now what he given here? 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. First of all we have to find first question, next second question. See here 1 plus sin theta, no? First of all we have to find sin theta and cos theta. We know that sin theta formula is opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta formula is adjacent side by hypotenuse. For sin theta opposite side by hypotenuse. Now what is opposite here? 8. Hypotenuse root 113. 8 1 plus 8 by root 113. Close the bracket. Next 1 minus sin theta means opposite side by hypotenuse. No 8 by root 113. Next by 1 plus cos theta means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Now what is adjacent side here? 7. Hypotenuse root 113. 7 by root 113 into 1 minus cos theta means 1 minus cos theta means 7 by root 113. No. 7 by root 113. See here. See observe this. A plus B, A minus B. A plus B, A minus B. See here A signs are equal and BB signs are equal. Here in denominator also A signs are equal and BB signs are equal. What is in this is in the form A plus B into A minus B. No. A square minus B square. What is A here? 1 square minus B square means 8 by root 113 whole square by A square means 1 square minus 7 by root 113 whole square. See here two terms are present here. So we have to separate the term. See this is in the form A by B whole power m. For the both terms one single exponent is present here. So we have to separate it. See like this we have to separate. 1 square means 1 minus 8 square and root 113 square by 1 square means 1 minus 7 square by root 113 square. See a square root cancel and square root cancel here. See 1 minus 8 square means 64 by 113 square root cancelling here no. So 113. See now we have to do an LCM for this. In this term 1 is only present. So we have to write in this is in the form P by Q form 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is nothing but 1 only no. So we have to write in the P by Q form. By 1 only we present here no. 7 square means 49 by 113. 1 by 1 minus 49 by 113. See 1 into 1 by 3. 113 113. Now we have to do cross multiplication. 1 into 1 by 113 minus is there here minus 64 into 1 by 113. Now again by see 1 into 113 113. Now again cross multiplication. 1 into 113 minus is there here 49 into 1 49 into 1. See here 1 into 113 is nothing but 113. Again minus is there here minus 64 into 1 64 by 113 by 113. Again by here 1 into 113 113 49 into 1 49 by here also 113. See here next 113 minus 64 49 by 113 by 113 minus 49 64 by 113. See when we bring this whole denominator into numerator, we have to reciprocal it. See here 113 become numerator and 64 become denominator here. 49 by 113 we have to write as it is. Now we have to bring this in the form opposite become. See into 1 this division become multiplication. 113 by 64 it become reciprocal. See 113 cancel here. 49 by 64 is our answer. Again what is given here? Find second one 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. We know that sin theta is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is opposite side here? 8. Hypotenuse root 113. Again in cos theta adjacent is 7. Hypotenuse is 113. See here. 1 plus sin theta means 1 plus sin theta is 8 by 113 by cos theta means 7 by 113. 7 by root 113. So see here. Now we have to do LCM here. 1 can be written as 1 by 1 plus 8 by root 113 by 7 by root 113. See here. 1 into root 113 root 113. See now we have to do cross multiplication. 1 into 113 root 113 plus 8 into 1 by root 113 by 7 by root 113. See 1 into root 113 root 130 plus 8 into 1 8 by root 130 by 7 by root 113. See here root 113 minus plus 8 by root 113 into now we have to bring this whole denominator into. When we bring this division will cancel and it become multiplication. See root 113 plus 8 by root 113 into this denominator will become numerator and numerator will become denominator root 113 by 7. See root 113 cancel here. Root 113 plus 8 by 7 is our final answer. See next 8th one in a right angle triangle ABC. Right angle is at B. If tan A is equals to root 3 then find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Now first of all we have to write what is given in this question. What is given here? Right angle triangle ABC. Right angle at B. That means angle B contain 90 degrees. And what is given here? Tan A is equals to root 3 no. We know that tan A is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. In this formula we have already learned this. What is see what is given here? Root 3 only. See, adjacent side is not given, so nothing but adjacent side is 1. Root 3 by 1 is nothing but root 3 only now. So adjacent side is nothing but 1. So tan A is equals to root 3 by 1. This is opposite side and this is 1 is adjacent side. Based on this given information, now we have to draw a triangle. See here. ABC triangle. B contain 90 degrees. What is by point outing angle A? This is opposite side and this is adjacent side and this is the largest side, then nothing but hypotenuse. See, what is opposite side given here? Root 3. Adjacent side 1. Now we have to find out this hypotenuse here. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus height square. Hypotenuse square is equals to, what is two sides given here? 1 and root 3 now. Side square means 1 square plus side square means root 3 whole square. Square root cancel here. 1 square means 1. 3. 1 plus 3 nothing but 4. 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Nothing but 2 square. See, square will went in the RHS side become root. H is equals to, hypotenuse is nothing but root 2 square. Square root cancel here. Hypotenuse is nothing but 2. Nothing but this AC is nothing but 2. See, now what is said to find out has sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. See, in these how many angles is given here? Angle A, angle C. Only angle A and angle C is given. Based on these two angles, now we have to draw two triangles. See here. ABC triangle, here also ABC triangle. Same. See, what is two angles is given now? By point outing angle A. Angle A and angle C is given. Angle A, when we point outing, this is an opposite side, this is an adjacent side and this is an hypotenuse here. When we point out angle C here, opposite to C is AB. This is adjacent is BC. Adjacent is nothing but what is an side, means side by side. C. This is an opposite, this is an adjacent and this is an hypotenuse. In these two triangles, hypotenuse is common because it is the largest sides in these both triangles. See, when we point out angle A, which opposite side? See, what is given opposite side? Tan A. See here, A angle is there here. When we point out in angle A, what is opposite side? Root 3. Adjacent side 1. Hypotenuse, what we find out at here? 2. See, here we have to write 2 here. See, when it is tan A, opposite side by adjacent side, root 3 by 1. When it is tan C, it become opposite. See, root 3 become adjacent side and see, observe here. See, opposite to this is AB now. Now we have to write opposite side is here root 3. But see here tan A is mentioned here. But here tan C. See, when he given two angles, it becomes opposite. See, this root 3 become adjacent and root 1 become opposite here. See, hypotenuse is common, nothing but 2 here. What is said here? Sin A is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin A given here. A means we have to look only this triangle. Opposite side is nothing but what is given opposite side here? Root 3. Hypotenuse 2. Root 3 by 2. Cos C means only we have to look this triangle. Cos C means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Nothing but root 3 by 2. In cos A means we have to look only this triangle. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Nothing but 1 by 2. In sin C, opposite side by hypotenuse, nothing but we have to look only this triangle because C is mentioned here. Opposite side is nothing but 1. Hypotenuse is nothing but 2. See, now we have to do this problem. What is sin A? Root 3 by 2 into cos C root 3 by 2 plus cos A 1 by 2 into sin C 1 by 2. See, root 3 into root 3 whole square. 2 2s are 4. plus 1 into 1, 1, 2 2s are 4. See, square root cancel here is equals to 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. See, in denominator both contain same, so we have to only write 1 only. 4, 3 plus 1 is nothing but 4. 4 ones are 4 ones. Answer is 1. Next, what is said to find out as cos A, cos C minus sin A, sin C. See here. What is the cos C answer? 1 by 2. We already find out here. Cos C, root 3 by 2 minus sin A means root 3 by 2. Sin C means 1 by 2. See here. 1 into root 3, root 3. 2 2s are 4. Minus is there in minus. Root 3 into 1, root 3. 2 2s are 4. See, plus root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 cancel here. Nothing but 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. Like that only root 3 by 4 minus 3 root 3 by 4 cancel here. Nothing but 0 is our answer. If you understand my video, please click the like and subscribe my channel. And also click the bell icon. Whenever I keep the video, you will get the notification. Thank you for listening.